Is maith is a great phrase to help you build up some skills in conversational Irish. Is maith means I like. So I'm going to give you some phrases now where you can use is maith at the start. Is maith siopadóireacht. I like shopping. Is maith siopadóireacht. Is maith snáv. I like swimming. Snáv is swimming. Is maith ag siúl ar na sléibhte. I like walking in the mountains. Is maith ag siúl ar na sléibhte. Is maith freastal ar cheolcharm. I like attending concerts. Is maith freastal ar cheolcharm. Is maith féachant ar an telefís. I like watching television. Féachant ar an telefís. Is maith léitheoireacht. I like reading. Léitheoireacht, reading. Is maith ag iascaireacht. I like fishing. Is maith ag iascaireacht. Is maith go mórthú. I like you a lot. Is maith go mórthú. Is maith té dubh. I like black tea. Is maith té dubh. As you will have heard, I've used liom a lot there. But you can also substitute liom for any of the following: liat, leis, léhi, ling, live and leo. They all mean to refer to you or him or her, so you can increase your range of sentences there by substituting liom for lat. So for example, is ma lat snáv, you like swimming, and so on. That brings us to the end of this video. I'd like to thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this, and I will see you soon. Slán go fóill.